Hello everyone, this is Khaldoon from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful rocket Apartamento espresso machine. It comes to us not working, like it's not turned on, so I found the power switch burned. Look at these. So I replaced it, then I replaced the whole cable. Put a new one, and after that when I turn it on I start find like a lot of scale. This look at this one. It comes from that water was like clogged totally. When I start like descaling, it takes me 4 times to get a clean water and clean boilers. So let's go ahead and test it. You can espresso shot on it. Stable flow, looks a great shot. With the crema. Let's test the hot water. It's a great steamer. Wonderful. It's run out of water. Thank you for watching.